Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy M20 smartphone. Okay, to hard reset it, first power off. Okay, now press and hold volume up and power key together, and when Samsung Galaxy M20 logo appears, remove power key. And this is the recovery mode. Okay, now the volume rocker to move up and down and power button to select. Okay, now select wipe data factory reset and confirm. Now go to yes and confirm, and you can see the wipe data complete. Now select reboot system now. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy M20 smartphones. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query, comment below in comment section. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.